Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 17th October 2025. A $500 million lawsuit filed by US-based Natsoft and Updraft software against Hexaware Technologies in the United States has highlighted the growing intellectual property risks that Indian companies face as they transition from traditional outsourcing to platform-led and product-driven models. This lawsuit represents part of a broader trend of rising IP disputes in the tech industry. In recent years, Indian IT majors such as Infosys and Cognizant have faced legal challenges over alleged misuse of proprietary technology or breach of software licensing terms. Global capability centers are set to lease 50 to 55 million square feet of office space by financial year 27. This will boost India's top property markets significantly. The number of GCCs is expected to grow to over 2,500 by 2030. These centers are evolving into innovation hubs, driving demand for tech-enabled and green spaces. India's cost competitiveness and talent pool attract global firms. Hyundai Motor Company is set to elevate its operations in India with a monumental investment of Rs 45,000 crore by financial year 30. The ambitious plan includes launching 26 innovative products, focusing on cutting-edge electric SUVs and hybrid models. Under the leadership of Tarun Garg as MD and CEO, Hyundai Motor India Limited aims to revolutionize the automotive landscape. Nestlé is cutting 16,000 jobs globally as the Swiss food giant cuts costs as part of its efforts to revive its financial performance. Nestlé is also fighting external headwinds like other food makers, including rising commodity costs and the negative impact of tariffs. The company said in July that it offset higher coffee and cocoa-related costs with price increases. The job cuts are expected to achieve annual savings of 1 billion Swiss francs or $1.25 billion by the end of next year. As India's stature as a hub for global capability centers or GCCs grows, a quiet revolution is underway with the rise of global legal and compliance centers or GLCCs. Far from being mere support bases, GLCCs are emerging as engines of legal innovation and governance excellence. By delivering strategic value to multinational corporations while deepening India's legal ecosystem. At present, about 10% of India's 1,800 GCCs host dedicated legal and compliance functions, translating to about 180 operational GLCCs across the country. Quick commerce platform Zepto on Thursday announced it has closed a $450 million financing round in a mix of primary and secondary transactions. Led by the US-based pension fund California Public Employees Retirement System. The latest funding round values the company at $7 billion, a significant jump from its $5 billion valuation during its last fundraise in 2024.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.